Today I'm in beautiful Newnan, Georgia, in the Wilmington Park neighborhood, which is on the north side of town, and it's conveniently located right off of Highway 70, or as the locals call it, Roscoe Road, which gives you convenient access to downtown Newnan and plenty enough space to live in a quiet neighborhood with a country vibe. Today I'm going to show you this brand new Santa Fe plan, which features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on a wooded 2.5-acre lot, giving you 2,052 square feet of living space. The primary suite is on the main level, and you get 2 additional bedrooms with a shared bath. The kitchen is lovely with lots of natural light, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops, and you also get a bonus room upstairs. Your uncovered deck is overlooking your private wooded backyard, giving you lots of serenity and peace. This neighborhood is zoned for Brooks Elementary, Evans Middle, and Newnan High School, and there is no annual HOA, which is very rare for brand new construction nowadays. This home is currently offered at $459,500, and the builder is offering $20,000 in buyer incentives to be used towards price reduction, closing costs, prepaids, and or rate buy-downs. So if you enjoy the content I'm putting out on my channel, and if you are looking to move to the South Metro Atlanta suburbs, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I have lots more coming. And if I can be of assistance to your home search, I will be delighted to help you find your home when you're ready. But for now, enjoy the tour. If you're thinking about buying a home anywhere in Georgia, head over to my website, vickybryant.com, where you can find all of the available homes for sale without having to share your personal information with Zillow and Realtor.com. So go check it out. If you're on the market to purchase a new construction home anywhere in the South Metro Atlanta area, get in touch so I can share with you how I can help you save money and find the best home for you and your family. If you enjoyed this video today, and if you want to learn more about living in Newnan, Georgia, go watch the next video on your screen. I think you'll like it. So go watch it now, and I'll see you there.